Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how you can customize your WordPress website's homepage without using any coding. So if you are new into blogging, or you want to design a professional website but you do not know coding like HTML, CSS or PHP, then you don't need to worry. WordPress is a good platform for you, and you can simply use a theme where you get all the options. Like I'll show you. This is my website cricklbw.com. so this is customized by me only. You can see posts are showing. You can see here, so it is customized properly. Even you can see this Facebook page, Instagram page and Twitter page. So social media I have also added here and here as well. Even you can see time, you can see Google AdSense ads. My pages are here. This theme is looking good. So how I did it? So I use this theme, Newsmag from Theme Forest. It's a very useful theme and you can buy it at a reasonable price, and I will suggest you to use its paid version because it gives more features and it is better. If you want to use your website for a long time, then use for paid version. Otherwise, if you don't have money and you are just going to start up, then you can just look for any crack of this theme online. Many websites are there, but I would suggest you to use paid version. So you just need to install this theme, and once you are done with this, you will get this option, Newsmag. So here you will see these options. All these options are, I will show you how to use them. So once you download this theme, you just go to pages, and instead of editing, you will get a new option like edit with SD Composer. So this is the option which will give you so many features to use, how to make changes on your home page especially, and other changes I will also show you how to make it done. So like here you can see this is showing this section is getting selected, this section, and once you do it, just click over it, you will get these options. You can increase the title length, decrease it as per your need, and just you go here in filter section. You can choose the category and it will come here. Okay, so likewise this other sections like this is also showing the same things. In filter option you can see this, like in popular videos you can select this popular category, and you can select this in random post or older post ones. You will get all the features here. Like in this section you will get the same thing, just click over it and you will get this journal style. If you don't know coding, then you can use this. Otherwise I would suggest you to use only these ones, journal and filter. In this section as well you will get the same thing, and I will also show you how I connected this social media. But before doing so, I want to show you one thing. In Newsmag section, you go there in welcome section. This is the welcome section, and these other options are available as well, like plugin, demo, support, system status, theme panel, activate theme, and etc. All these options are showing for you. You can use them, and it's very beneficial. So first in this section, install demos. So I have installed this one, default, this one. Just need to click here, install. So there are so many other themes as well showing, like food, magazines, sub scandals, cars, clear, voice, animal, square. So you can just preview some of them, and your website will look like this. You just need to activate any one of them. I have used this one, first one. So if I use this theme, my website will look like this, like this one. This is the another theme provided by this this theme forest, and this is under this Newsmax only. These all are the Newsmax demos. This showing like my if I select this theme, my website will look like this. If I select this one, my website will look like this. If I have, but I have selected the first one because it is suiting me. And as per your category, you can select it. If you have a tech website, you should go for it. If you have a sports website or travel website, you should go for these ones. Okay. So once you do it, then you need to make changes here. So many people ask me how I added this social media option. So I'll just want to go here only, this plugin section, and this Newsmax theme provides so many plugins automatically. Means once I install it, these plugins automatically get installed. Like this one, tag div social counter, it gets automatically activated. So I just activated it, and I just went to this appearance and WizGets. The tag div social counter, the name is, remember the name, and from here in WizGets section, this tag this social counter, you need to add it to this Newsmax default, and here it will come up. Here this place it will come up, and once you open it, you will get these things. You can type anything here. I have written stay connected. You can write anything else as well. And now into go this section, you do like global header here. Leave this hashtag, border type top no border, style default, and here you will get option like Facebook. These options you will get for all the social media. And here I have added this Facebook ID. So how I got my Facebook ID, like in Facebook, this is my Facebook page for my website. So in this page, I have just copied this one. I'm logged in, that's why it's not showing. I'll open a new window, I'll show you. So you need to copy the code of your Facebook ID. That this part you need to just copy and paste it here your Facebook ID, and leave this app and security and this token number. Now if your Twitter account, then same thing. If for Twitter as well, this is my Twitter profile. This opens with this. So I just copied this one, this Crick LPW. I copied and pasted here in Twitter and Instagram as well. And if you have any account with Google Plus or any other social media, you can do the same thing with this, and just need to save the changes and click on done, and this will come up, this social media fan page, or you can say you can connect your all the social media platforms, social media sites over here. So if you want to add this option as well, social media one, so I'll show you how I did it. From here, this Newsmax section, you can do it. So let's start here. Go to theme panel. This social networks, click on it. Here you need to add the same thing. You need to add whole URL of your social media account over here, like not only this user account. Like I have added for Facebook, and Instagram and Twitter. You can add for Reddit, Pinterest, PayPal, anything you want, and click on save. So this will show up these things, and I'll show you all these options one by one. In header section, you can select the style, make the changes here. In footer section, you can also, I have just removed the Facebook footer. You can make changes if you want it. I have also added this Google AdSense ad over here. So I use this ads option, and over here I have pasted the code in the header section. If you want to, in middle or somewhere else, you can add it and just click on save. This will come up. So it's very beautiful theme, and you can design your website like this. You can segregate your categories like very easy. You can also make this will come up over here, like in categories you can go post settings, background, you can make all the changes from here. Theme, font, analysis, you can add Google Analytics as well over here. You can use it, and if you face any problem, just comment below. I will try my best, and I will give you a reply as soon as I get your message. And you can design your like blogging site very easily. You don't need to learn any coding for this. And I have also made changes in footer from this option only. So this Newsmag has welcome, plugin, demo, support also as well there. You can support them. If you have paid theme, you can get in touch with them. They will support you and activate theme. So from here you can make all the changes, this section, and as well as from this side. You can click here, double click, and make changes from here. So these two areas which are beneficial in this theme, and there are many other themes as well which provide similar type of option. So you can design a beautiful website, and you don't need to learn any HTML, CSS or PHP coding for this. So I think I have resolved the issue for you, and if you face any problem, just let me know. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.